Good morning. You find us on Sunday, June 11th. Euros final for England versus Italy tonight, but we don't care about that. We're not interested in football. So we're heading out today to Surrey from London, central London. Here we are. We're also delayed by an hour. That's annoying. Look at the late person. All she wanted to do was stay in bed. I need a decent excuse.
I had a very shitty sleep.
Ah.
But I still made it. Good
yes.
morning.
So this is where everybody comes to get their boob jobs and all of their nose jobs, and if they're vain, their penis jobs as well. They come here to have their penises lengthened and fattened up because they have tiny little weeny winkies. Not like me, of course. I have a massive Okay, the first piece of gravel today. Here we are. This is Wimbledon Common. Already there are dog walkers out and just general mental people that don't know what a bed looks like. Little doggies! Ah, having a poo. Ah, I feel somewhat more relaxed now that I'm out in the open, the fresh air. But this is a lie. We're only in a park, still within the little encirclement that goes around London. We're not out yet. It's going to take a while for us to get there. This is part of the military experience. By the way, someone forgot their windmill. This is the fun bit, if you remember. Cool, he didn't want to give us much space, did he? Woo! It's alright, I saw you. Hello, doggy. People praying out when you come flying down hills quickly at them. Today's wonderful trip comes to you from a man on the internet holding a camera by a river. How wonderful. The route today is called the Lovelace Belgie, and we pick it up here somewhere down near Kingston, but we started from northwest London, so I had to design the route a little bit more, so we have conveniently called it the Lovelace Belgie Max. Apparently the route was quite hard anyway. It says that it's 86 miles, and whatever that is in kilometres will come up on the screen right now. Oh, now she wants the smooth path. Chosen the whole horrible nasty path all the way down here. Decides to go over to the smoothness. Ah! But I shall persevere. I'm a man, and I shall take the banging on the bollock bag that comes from those cobbles. That's enough of.
We can fly. Just we can fly. We can fly. Just we can fly. We can
Ugh. Horrible noise. Smelly. One of the big drawbacks of having this mount in your mouth is that it's open all the time and therefore subject to being penetrated by flies. It's quite disgusting.
Eat any?
I ate 2 flies on the way down there. Middle, left, right. She's gone right. Slow people walking down there. middle, left. Let's go down the middle. Hopefully I don't swallow any more flies. Oh yeah! Oh. You boy! Whee! This doesn't look like it's a shortcut. I don't know where this one is going. She seems to know what she's doing. I made the mistake earlier on, so I'm just going to follow her. We've definitely come the wrong way. Bugs! There are bugs on me.
Too late now, you have to do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You've got this. Yay!
Oh. Oh my God! Woo!
You have 3 choices. 1, 2, 3.
Well, we have to turn left up here, so we can't go right.
Yeah, no, because it's parallel, it's just a dry path.
Well, it's only this bit. We can go through here, can't we?
Sticky, no. I'd rather play it safe and look, it lands on the other one, which is fucked.
No, we'll be alright, come on. We'll live vicariously. I'm going to do it.
Here he goes! Here he goes!
Easy! I'm going to let you into a little secret. See all of this? It really smells bad. Horses come through here and ruin it for basically everybody that wants to walk or cycle through here. And can he keep it? No, I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
I want to get it. I'm going to refuse to walk. Refuse to walk. Come on. No. Oh dear. So after effectively getting lost in what can only be described as a jungle, we've now found tarmac again. Hello. Thank goodness for that. Back in Kingston, cut the route a little bit short and going home now because mud.